Hi guys, how are you? So today we are back with a new video about the tuples. As in the previous video I promised you that tuples have to be looked into separately, and this time as you have already got into the lists. You understand lists. So lists are basically a set of variables where they are ordered, they are indexed, but they are changeable. Now there is a separate kind of a thing that is called tuples. Tuples are a separate type of a data type in Python, and they have a little difference as compared to the list, and that is like, although they are ordered, they also have index. But one thing that tuples do not allow is unchangeable. They are completely unchangeable. You cannot change, add, delete of any items in a tuple. So today we'll take a look basically into the tuples. As you see in the screen already that we have mentioned like the basic lines of tuples, and like the best practice as always in Jupyter Notebook, just name the script in respect to the work that you are trying to do. Now, two things to remember guys, like tuples can, like just like the list, can also be created using a tuple constructor, that is tuple. The only difference is in lists we are using the square brackets. This time we'll be using the round brackets. It's pretty simple. So we'll start off with the same things, and it is a pretty short one. So the thing is, like, tuples also allow a mixture of data types, integer, float, like that. So first let us create a tuple. So my tuple maybe, and suppose we write it like this with the brackets on. Now suppose I write featuresz. That's done. Then I write suppose 33. Then suppose I write my surname. Alright, and then suppose I write my birth year. So that's it. Now the moment I press enter, it's run. Alright, so is it a tuple? Now let us check it with the type operator, obviously type, and then we say, what do we say? It's my tuple. Okay, it's done. And see, it shows you it's the data type as tuple. Now, as I showed you directly, like it is a mixture. So how do you print it? It's like the same thing. There are two ways to print it. The first one, just write out the my tuple thing, run it. It will give you the entities in the list. And now you want to access something or like that, just like this, it is indexed. So nothing to worry about. Now the next thing is you can also print it like this without just typing this, and I find it easier, but best convention is like you should use this one, print and then the name of my tuple. Alright, so this is done. So guys, we'll be now looking into how to use the tuple constructor. Okay, that, and then how to create a tuple with just one element. So it's pretty easy. So let us just put as t1, and I will just say tuple, and then we use two brackets, not one. Okay, because it takes only as one argument into the function. So let us just write 23.4 5 okay, 24 comma 56 comma London, done. And then I press Ctrl Enter. It's run. And if you want to check the type of t1, it gives you tuple. Just print it. So it's again t1. It's again printing it the value to you. Now I'll just insert a few more cells. It will give you a lot more better vision here. Now how to create a tuple with just one element? It's pretty easy. I'll just write here like t2 equal to again tuple. The tricky part here is I got to use two brackets as always. So suppose I want to write here one of the cities, Chicago maybe, and I just want to put Chicago in this. You cannot directly run this, it won't create it. So this is not basically, even though it is accepting it, it should be like this one. It will not be a tuple, it has to be like this, otherwise it won't create it. So this is your tuple. Now if you just go ahead and check, you should be using the comma, do not forget that. So t2, if I print it, it's Chicago and a comma. That's all. So guys, keep practicing. You have any questions on the previous videos, the entire series of the Python, please go ahead and comment it below. I am here, I will answer all your questions. and in the next one we'll be coming back with a video on sets and the operators, maybe other things as well. And I'm going to give you all the operators a tabular format, like which operator is related to which one, like there are boolean operators, this, that, and all. Till that time, practice, enjoy, love you. And yeah, one thing, please do subscribe, guys. I am still missing a lot of subscribers. Please do subscribe. Tada, bye bye, sayonara.